This is my bird Glampy, and I'm going to do a tour of its cage. This is the outside of the cage. It is a flight cage. This is its cuddle bone, which leads to its rope perch, and then a cool foraging toy. Then you can see its water bowl and its food bowl, which has pellets and seeds mixed together. This is his foraging toy. And some cool perches I found in the well, but you have to make sure to disinfect them before bringing them in. This is a wooden toy which Glampy really enjoys. And another gum tree branch which I found, and a homemade toy. This is his veggies, and a cool another branch which I bought, and a plastic toy. This is his foraging toy and another branch I found. Even though birds don't go to the ground, you need to have lots of perches on the ground too. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!